So today's topic is surge tank and types. Surge tank is defined as the tank used to control the sudden pressure change in the pipeline. So as per definition, I will show you first where is the surge tank located. Okay. So this is a simple layout of hydroelectric power plant where this is the reservoir. From this reservoir, the water is passes from this penstock to the turbine. As turbine rotates, then the electricity is generated. Okay, so this is surge tank which is located on the penstock, and as per definition the tank used to control the sudden pressure changes in the pipeline. Why the sudden pressure changes are occurs? So there are mainly two reasons. Sudden pressure changes occurs due to sudden closure and opening of the walls. So where are the walls? So this is another diagram. These are walls, inlet wall, and this is surge tank as shown, and this is inlet wall. When the closing and opening of the inlet wall takes place, then the sudden pressure change occur. And the second reason is at the time of starting or stopping of the turbine. As here this is turbine shown in the diagram. When the start or stop of turbine takes place, then pressure changes occurs. So this surge tank controls the pressure changes in the pipeline. So now you have understand the definition. The tank used to control the sudden pressure changes in the pipeline which are caused due to sudden closure or opening of the valve or at the time of starting and stopping of the turbine. So there are mainly three types of surge tank. First one is open or simple type surge tank. Second one is restricted orifice surge tank, and third one is differential surge tank. So this is the first type, simple or open type surge tank. In this video, I'm going to explain these three types point wise, so it will help you in exam to write the answer. Also, you can refer the link I have given in the description for proper answer. Okay, so simple or open type surge tank. First point is these are directly connected to pipeline. As shown in figure, this is simple type of surge tank which is directly connected to pipeline. And the second point is these simple type surge tanks which are connected to pipeline which are open at the top with open to the atmosphere. Okay, and this simple type of surge tanks which are available in two shapes, cylindrical shape and conical shape. You can see this another diagram where you can easily understand the cylindrical and conical shape. And the fourth point is the accelerating and retarding heads of the simple type surge tank are very small. Very small. What is the accelerating head and retarding head? Means the water flowing through the pipeline to the surge tank and from the surge tank to again pipeline. The flow takes place at very slow speed, so it takes more time. Then our second type is restricted orifice surge tank. The first point in the restricted orifice surge tank, similar to the open type, it is directly connected to pipeline and it has restricted opening at the bottom of the surge tank connected to pipeline. As I shown in the diagram, this is directly connected to pipeline. Also, it has a restricted opening at the bottom. You can see here. And the second point is flow through the restricted opening between the tank and the pipe which cause high friction. Due to this high friction, the accelerating heads and retarding heads are very large. So water from the pipeline to surge tank and surge tank to pipeline, it takes very short time. So these are very beneficial type of surge tanks. And third type is differential surge tank. Differential surge tank, the first point of the differential surge tank, it is the combination of simple type and restricted orifice type. So this is more beneficial surge tank. Also it has an additional feature of internal riser. This is internal riser as shown in the diagram. When the load on the turbine decreases, then the water rises fast in the internal riser. Also similarly, when the load increases, the water flows out from the riser rapidly into the turbine. This is about the differential surge tanks. So I have explained here the all three types of the